The reason for this is that you can limit the kind of transformations F-Align is allowed to use when working out how to align the frames. Now, by default, translate and rotate are enabled. Now, there are options available in the plugin parameters to allow F-Align to adjust the source's scale and to apply perspective correction. Now, just to see exactly what each of these calculations do, we should uncheck them to see the results. Now, as you'll notice, as soon as I change any of these calculations or anything else within the actual properties, we will find the red warning banner come up again, stating that the null valid keyframe analysis has been found. This is because we have changed the calculations, and if you change any of these parameters, you will always need to reanalyze the footage again. So let's just click on Translate to see what effect that has. As you can see, it's brought the two clips together. Click on Rotate, and that's adjusting for rotation between the two shots. Let's adjust for scale. We have a much better fit of the background now, as you can see the lines have disappeared. And we'll click on Perspective. And that has shifted the alignment of the speakers and the actual background itself to match up between the two shots. So now we have done this, we have to reanalyze the entire sequence again. So go ahead and press the Analyze button. Now that the analysis is finished, we need to attach a Bezier shape so we can complete the composite and pre-multiply the image and view the final results. So I'm going to be using P on the keyboard as a shortcut to bring up a Bezier node and attach it to the model left input and to the A input of the merge node, as such as on the screen. I'm just going to draw the Bezier shape, turn it into an alpha, and pre-multiply the image, and just add a soft edge. Now we need to animate the actual Bezier all the way along the timeline. So here's one I prepared earlier. You can see that the alpha has a soft edge, and it has been animated throughout the timeline. If we render the sequence out now, we can view the final results of using the Align node. The render now, we can see that in this case, if we enable scale and perspective, we get a much better match between the backdrop of the two clips. Now, we allow you to disable these various alignment methods to make working with problem clips more straightforward. The more options the plugin has to use, the more likely it is to become unstuck and find the wrong solution.